Welcome to our Vietnamese house tour. This is the outside of our house. It's very narrow. When we measured it, I think it's about 11 feet wide and maybe 30 or 40 feet long. So very tall and narrow, lots of stairs in this house. Zeke made this flower bed for outside of our house. And here we have the ramp so that we can drive our motorcycles up into our house. Most people park their motorcycles in their house, especially overnight, because it's more secure that way. And then we have some shelves for helmets and different outside things for the cat, and our shoes. Walking into the kitchen, we have our convection oven, which was given to us by some friends who left to move back to the US. Zeke designed the table that it's sitting on to fit in that little nook in the wall, and it has some water sitting under it and kitchen utensils in the drawer. Backing up, you can see the whole kitchen. There is some termite damage that we're trying to fix. We'll get to it eventually, and then some decoration that Zeke and I collected while we were traveling in the US. Most people dry their dishes over the sink. It's easier that way, and I prefer it because I don't enjoy drying dishes. And then here's just some plates, pots and pans, different things. Here we have our kitchen table. It's American-sized kitchen table, so it's more comfortable to sit on. And we have this whiteboard that I use to practice dictation in Vietnamese. There's also this small bathroom in the kitchen that I guess you could use to shower in, but we don't ever use this for a shower because it's in the kitchen. But it's nice to have there. So there's the first bathroom and the cat. Here we have our pantry where we store food. And I was excited about those Doritos because they were about $1.50 for like a bag the size that you would get at a gas station. So a pretty good deal. I'm really thankful that our landlord left this full-size fridge for us. It is very unusual to have a fridge that size, but very happy to have it. And then we have our drinking water next to it that has hot and cold water. And the inside of our fridge, where I store some American food that I brought over and some dry goods that I don't want to get all clumpy because of the humidity. Here's our first set of stairs, and the cat that likes to always be in the way. Zeke is in the office. So here's our home office where we do our work from home. Nothing really that exciting, just a home office. Zeke has his tools. We have an extra desk. One thing about houses in Vietnam, and probably lots of places, is that they don't have any closets. So we have some totes there just of some stuff that's probably where it's going to stay until we move. So there's our office, and then a few more steps up and you're in the living room. So we have our piano and some family photos, couches, which again are American-sized couches, which I'm thankful for because we are American height. So it's nice to have a bigger couch to sit on. There's a view from our living room window, and we'll just walk up the next set of stairs and show you the whole living room kind of in one view here. the stairs again, and we are now in the guest bedroom. Nothing fancy, but it is a place to sleep. The beds are comfortable, there's an air conditioning, and the reason I'm filming this now is because we actually have some people coming over, well, tomorrow when I film this video, but now that I am editing and uploading it, they've been gone for a few weeks. And here we come up to our main bathroom where we shower every day, and it's just our bathroom. So here it is, shower, toilet. It's clean, but it's messy just because it's a little bit small, but that's really not an issue. And it's nice because it's right next to our bedroom. This is another thing the owners left, which is this wardrobe, because it was built to fit in this space. So we keep our clothes there, we keep our suitcases on top of the wardrobe, and this is our bedroom. And no, the cat is not allowed to come in there. And here is the guest toilet. No, I'm just kidding. That bucket actually belongs upstairs. But we do keep the toilet paper there just because it's convenient, and that way it doesn't get wet by keeping it in the bathroom. Can you move? Thank you. This is another, just a spare bedroom that is nothing right now except for I hang up laundry in there, but just can be used for whatever we want in the future. And we are on the top level now where the washing machine is, and I keep it propped open a little bit so it doesn't get musty in there. This is the guest bathroom that has a glass enclosed shower. And then we go onto the rooftop, another place to hang up laundry. Don't look at that. Yeah, here's the view from our neighbor, or the view from our rooftop. Our neighbors over there have birds, and the birds are really loud, but it's a nice view. I like to come up here at night because you get a cool breeze. The cat likes to come up at night to be a little menace. So yeah, that's our house tour. Say bye, kitty.